Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix your account has been suspended on Instagram. Now you need to know that in some cases when you violate the community guidelines in Instagram, they may suspend your account. So you'll have to review all your actions and see if you have done things that violate their terms and conditions or guidelines or not. And if you have done something that is actually violating, in this case, you'll have to create a new account and start from zero. But let's say that you have reviewed your actions and you do not actually remember that you have done anything bad with your account. In this case, you can simply open your Instagram application on your phone, the login into your account, and you will find here this message, and they'll tell you that there are about 180 days remaining to disagree with this decision. So you'll have to click on disagree with decision, and once you click on disagree, an appeal will be sent to their support team and they will review your account. And if you haven't actually done anything that is violating their terms and condition, they will probably unsuspend your account as soon as possible, and after that you can simply use your account with no issues. But if you have done something that is actually violating their terms and conditions, in this case you'll have to start creating a new account, and be careful when using it to avoid having the same problem. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.